I'm here with Daniel. He just completed my painting job. He did a fantastic job. Took care of all the cracks, fixed the wood, and I'm extremely satisfied. No problems, no hassles. Everything was very smooth.
Just to give it that clean look. We are also doing the pergola. I'll show you guys. We are doing the pergola. Doing the pergola. Having to power wash, having to clean all this. Fixing the chimney. So, you know, all here we are priming the eaves or the roof. The ceiling of the roof. All this is getting scraped, and while we are at it, we're gonna power wash the jacuzzi just to make it look nicer. We're scraping and peeling and doing all the peeling paint. Showing around here with ZonaBrush Painting. I want to show you guys what we are doing here. So we are painting the, not the brick, just the walls. And just gotta show, we just finished power washing this home, and what you're gonna see in here, we're fixing all the cracks, everything that you can see, making sure that we're not missing any cracks, any details in this house. It's all wood, so you just have to be very, very careful when you do this type of houses. Obviously all that is from the power wash. Right now my guy is gonna scrape it, and he's gonna start filling things out. There's Wilmer. See, look, everything what he's doing, filling out all the caulking, filling out everything, every little spot. And we power wash. We use this big power washer, takes everything off. See how you scrape all that the power wash brings down. And obviously we're gonna use a 101. Look how he's filling in everything. This is the pergola. He power washed it here. You can see the water. You guys should have seen how the pergola was here. It was all falling apart. Power wash it, very good, very well. You can see all this was dirty. Just even by washing it, what a difference it makes. So here he's gonna start doing all the scraping, and he's gonna scrape away everything. All those cracks that you guys see there, he's gonna fill in. We have to cover all the block before painting, obviously. And yeah, he's doing this. We're gonna paint the pergola. So there you go, slowly but surely the job's gonna get done. On this type of old homes, you gotta make sure that you're filling all the cracks. And then we're gonna go, all this is gonna be coated with elastomeric. That way the product covers the wood, makes the wood look better. But here we go. Yes, sir. Thank you. Hey guys, we're here with ZonaBrush, and I want to show you the end product of this home. You guys can remember there, it was all dirty, and all the dust from the paint, you had seen that it had cracks all over the house. Obviously all that got fixed, primered, painted. We used a little sheen on the walls, on the siding, just in order to keep it more cleaner and more resistant to the sun. You guys remember the garage, all this was peeling off. We added Bondo to it. You guys can remember here, I mean, we did as much as we could without having to replace it. Down there, all this had Bondo. You can even see it right here. Even up here, you guys can remember a little bit. All that was cracked. And we added 101, what's it called, elastomeric. It looked more like that, if you guys can see a little bit. So all that got painted, 2 coats properly. My guy even did that. We try to take care. I don't know if you guys saw this fence, but it was horrible. But that was done. You open the gate. You can see all the wood here, how it was all peeling off and chipping. And we, like I said, did our best. With wood, I mean, to add Bondo to the whole trim, it is better to just replace it, right? But when they don't want to, and we can help them out with the cost and, you know, make it look much better. You can see all this, how he got to finish that. Looks incredible. The pergola, it was all, you guys remember, it needed a coat of paint. All that got, he checked everything, he did everything. Everything's put back in order. Everything is done good and nice.